Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have an unboxing video. As you can see, it's Pax Project again. Well, it's not called Pax Project anymore. It's actually Pax Travel now. They recently relaunched their product line and website and reached out to us to see if we wanted to try out their new products. Previously, we ordered the Mason backpack and the Mercer duffel, 2 sets of those, and we absolutely love them. They are so functional. We use them for weekend getaways. We use the duffels as the carry-ons whenever we fly. So needless to say, whenever they reached out to see if we wanted to try out their new products, we jumped at the opportunity. So here we are. This time we ordered one of their new totes and the Camden Backpack. So the tote is gonna be for me and the Camden Backpack is for Moy. So I'm excited to see what it looks like. I'm not good with knives. Moy let me borrow his new knife. So I'm about to open it. The boxing is completely different. It used to be this black box and now it's this really cute like modern color. So I really like this color. Everything is different. All right, so obviously a little description.
What's it say?
It just says it's the Maya work tote in black and gold, and then the Camden backpack in black and gold too. So they sent us matching. It even comes in a dust bag now. Like this was not how it was sent before. So obviously some new packaging. They look so nice. Even the dust bags are nice. But all of their products are made out of full grain vegan leather, which is amazing. And what we previously have is super high quality, so I'm expecting the same from these. I'm assuming this is the backpack, so I'll do that last, and this is the tote, which is for me, so I'll do this first. Yep, it is. Ooh, it's so nice. I really like it. Let me take this off. It is so nice. You can feel that it's super high quality. And then the inside is lined with a type of suede. So whenever I was looking at these online, at their new products and the description of it, what really intrigued me was that it has a laptop compartment in here. So you can fit a 13-inch laptop in here. It has a little Velcro strap. It has other compartments in here, so this is super functional for everything that I have in my purse. Sometimes I have to use 2 bags, so this is going to be perfect for everything. And it's such a nice tote. I really like it. And it is very, very soft. And the straps are nice. They don't feel like those that dig into your shoulder. I really like this. I cannot wait to use it. So the Maya work tote actually has 6 compartments inside. So everything can fit. I mean, you can put your pens and your phone and, you know, like one of those power banks in here. Everything is gonna fit so well. So my laptop compartment in here is actually just a very nice like soft suede, and then on the Camden backpack it's a very furry like padded, and we have that in our previous products that we have from Pax Travel. It came with like furry inside and it's really nice. It really protects your laptops. It comes in different colors, so this bag is the black and gold obviously, but it also comes in tan and gold, soft rose and gold, sand and gold, stone and gold, navy blue and gold, and red and gold. So you can find your favorite color definitely on their website for you to get one of these totes. I'm gonna put it back in its dust bag. This is so nice because then you can store it and know that it'll be fine. Okay, now on to Moy's backpack. It's called the Camden Backpack, and it's huge. This thing is big, but it's really nice. It also feels very soft. The leather feels very, very nice. I'm gonna take this off.
It is big.
It is so big.
Looks nice.
Yeah. And this one has a front storage pocket. So these zipper tags are new. They used to be like one of those regular ones I can show you on the other backpack. It used to be just a regular zipper, and now they're these really cute new, like more modern, very cute ones. Oh yeah, I have it right here because I use this every day. So they used to be just these regular tags. And now they're these cuter, more modern zipper tags.
They are nice.
I like them. So as you can see, I use this one every day, and something that I do love about it real quick are how comfortable the shoulder straps are. These never hurt my shoulders no matter how heavy I have my bag. And these on the Camden Backpack are the same, but just wrapped in all leather all around. So they are mesh padded straps, which make it super comfortable to carry for long periods of time. It has that flat bottom, so there's a lot of space inside, and it still will keep its shape and stand upright. I really like that. This backpack also comes in a lot of different colors, like Luxe Tan, which is how my backpack is, Luxe Black, so how my backpack is, but in black, which is really, really nice. I highly recommend those colors because they're very, very nice. And also in white and gold, so if you like white backpacks. And then this leather is easy to clean because it's real vegan leather. And then again, inside there's storage for your laptop. So Moy's gonna use this backpack for his laptop, his journals. He likes to take those to work just in case he has time to do something. So this is gonna be his everyday backpack. So in conclusion, both of these bags did not disappoint me at all. I absolutely love it. I love this tote. It is very, very nice leather. I love that this zipper looks like it will never ever go bad. It is very thick and just a huge zipper. I love it. I love it so much. And then I cannot get over these zipper tags. They're just so different and nicer than the last ones. And then the backpack also, it's huge, you guys. I mean, I didn't even think it would be this big, but it is also so nice. I love these gold buckles. I love gold accessories on any product. This has a lot of space inside. I recommend this if you have a lot to do in one day. Do you like it this big?
Yeah, I'm surprised it's that big, but yeah, it's cool.
So the size on my tote, I think, is perfect. I love it. It's like the right size for me, for anyone. You can tell that these are very high quality and made very well. Everything feels so good on them. So both of these items are both very functional, so you can take them to a coffee shop to study. They are also really good for travel, and they're just good everyday bags that you can take with you anywhere. Use them as just everyday bags. I don't know what else to say because they're very attractive. So you don't have to worry about having an ugly bag for your laptop or an ugly backpack for your laptop, because you can use Pax Travel and you get best of both worlds. So whenever you guys check out, they were nice enough to give me my own discount code to give to you guys. So if you put Jessie15, just like it says in this little coupon thing that I made you guys, you get 15% off your entire purchase, which is awesome. And also this company, whenever you check out, 1% of your entire purchase goes to whatever charity you want to donate to. So they let you choose. It used to be just one charity, but now they let their customers be in control and we get to choose what we want to donate to. So that is amazing and for such a good cause. So definitely check out their products, and thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and like this video. I will see you guys very soon because I have a lot more content coming.